Welcome to another video. I'm Dom and today I'm going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, or these headphones here. These headphones have been my daily driver for the last few months and I must admit I am impressed. I've been using them on the go with my Samsung Galaxy Note 10, which I'm using to record this video. I've been using them at work, I've been using them while editing videos and during sports. But are they good enough? You'll find out after the intro. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus have 11 hours worth of playtime. They have a two-way speaker system for rich sound. They have triple mics for clear voice calls, as well as QI compatible wireless charging. It's always nice to see wireless charging because you can show off to friends and family. You just literally put that on the charging pads. I don't have one at the moment, but I am sure to get one. And most importantly of all, the sound is by AKG, that well-known German brand by Harman, which I really like. Looking at the case itself, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it does say Samsung Sound by AKG. It's probably all inverted because I'm using the front camera to record this video. Now, over the last 4 years, I've used many wireless headphones, some that are true wireless, so that's like these here, there's no cables hanging down from them, and some with cables hanging down, like usually the ones that would go in the back of your neck or something like that. Now, I must admit, these are the most convenient out of all of them. Sure, I did use the AirPods, I used the Urbanista Stockholms, I used several fake variations of AirPods, as well as wireless headphones by other brands such as Anker, those and JVC, loads of other little smaller brands. But so far, I would definitely say these are the most convenient. The main reason for that, of course, is simply because if you have a look at these, it's the way they fit around your ear. You've got this little thing here to make sure it's stays in your ear properly. The one thing I hated about the AirPods was them falling out. Basically, you couldn't adjust them to fit your ear properly. Sound quality, AirPods are amazing, no doubt in that, and they're very stylish as well. But in terms of other aspects, such as, well, using them in sports, using them for well, any activity where they might fall out, I just did not do that. I had a separate pair of wireless headphones, not truly wireless headphones. They were JBL headphones, can't remember what they were exactly now, but they were wireless. They had like a band around here for and stuff like that. They had a cable linking the two together. They're pretty good headphones as well. I would still recommend them. I can't remember the model, I'm afraid. So I use these in a variety of environments. I use them while cycling. I use them as when I was in the gym. I use them while running, at work, on my daily walk up to work as well, on the bus, all sorts like that. One thing that I really like about these is the fact that they have ambient sound. So what that means basically is that the mics will record the sound around you, so you won't get run over when you're crossing the road. Yes, I nearly did that a few times now, especially with my noise cancelling headphones. It's only Hearons. Great headphones as well, by the way, but they're just too bulky to carry around with you. And now, unlike the AirPods, these do come with a app. It will be the Galaxy Wearable App, which I also use to control my smartwatch, which is the Samsung Galaxy Watch. The app itself enables you to control your ambient sound. It enables you to update the software on these. It enables you to set them up in terms of the equalizer. Enables you to choose how you like your sound on these. It's very, very useful. And just like the AirPods, the little connect message comes up when you try to connect them. That's the same on my tablet, which is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, as well as my Note 10, which is pretty good. So the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus come in this sort of case, and the case itself is USB-C compatible. It comes with a USB-C cable to charge them, but it's also compatible with wireless charging, which is extremely good value. You do have an indicator light just here, which either goes red when the battery gets low on a case, or goes green when it's full. Inside of it, you also have a status light. I'm not sure if you can see that. That's how they look inside the case. I mean, to be honest, when it comes to comparing this case and the AirPods case, I think I like this style a little bit better. The only thing I miss about the AirPods case is playing with it in my pocket. I absolutely adore just going like that with it. But who doesn't? With this one, it's a little bit different. Obviously, if we try and do that, they'll probably fall out. But there is a magnetic clamp on them, which is pretty good. Yeah, so to answer your question, whether I would recommend these, definitely yes, I would recommend them. Would I recommend them over the AirPods or any other wireless headphones I've used personally? Yes, I would, but not exactly for sound quality, and the reason for that is that I still feel that the AirPods, the sound quality on the AirPods is slightly better. It matches my taste in sound a little bit more. But the trouble I had with AirPods is that I just couldn't use them for everything. These I can use for absolutely everything. When I'm doing sports, when I'm out and about, without the fear of them falling out. I never actually had these fall out of my ears. The AirPods would constantly do that. I just did not want to lose them. I mean, obviously it's not a cheap investment. It's a very good investment, but it's not a cheap investment. I was lucky enough to buy these on a student deal as well. And yes, unfortunately, since I'm a beginner YouTuber, I do have to buy most of my stuff. So I review on here, but that's life. And the best way that you can help me is by subscribing, commenting, and well, giving me feedback. So yeah, that's just about it for this video. The link to these, if you want to purchase a pair yourself, will be in the description of this video. That's about it for this video. I'm going to leave the Amazon link under the description of this video, and you'll be helping me a great lot by using that link. If you like anything else on my setup, let me show you my setup. The links to everything I have here are going to be in the kit.co link in the description of this video, so you can buy it yourself if you wanted it to. And yeah, as you can see, I'm actually a massive fan of Harman. I've also got the JBL Quantum Duo gaming speakers here. Highly recommended speakers, couldn't recommend them enough.